My name is Amy Prosser and I'm currently a senior scientist at Sygnature Discovery. I studied an integrated masters at Nottingham in human genetics and I graduated in 2011, but I didn't get away and I stayed to do my PhD in tissue engineering and stem cell biology. So when I came to the end of my PhD, I knew I wanted to stay in scientific research because I loved being in the lab, but I had a bit of a decision between academia and industry. I think both give great options for PhD graduates, but for me, it was quite important to have a long-term contract and it was going to be quite stable. Sometimes postdocs can only be short-term contracts and I wasn't sure I could cope with the fluctuations that would bring with life. So I chose to pursue a career in industry. I actually interviewed for 3 different positions but ultimately chose to accept the job at Sygnature. I found this job by looking through a scientific recruitment website at Reed Scientific and sent my CV off, and the rest is history. I think coming to the end of your PhD and trying to find a job can be a bit of a daunting task. Certainly it's true that a few targeted applications will probably get you further than spamming every recruitment agency you can find. It's really important that you think about what key skills have you learned during your PhD and how they could be attractive to a new employer. It's really also important to make sure you research the company, know what they do, know that that's what you're interested in too. If you are lucky enough to be invited for an interview, you're going to have to explain what you did in your PhD, so make sure you remember what you did 3 years ago. The chances are they're going to ask you about it.